Hi, I'm Teacher Aaron. Welcome to my story time. Boys and girls, do you like birds? I like birds very much. Today, our story is birds. Boys and girls, look at the picture. What can you see? I can see birds. What color are the birds? Very good. The birds are pink. These pink birds are flamingos. Flamingos. Pink flamingos. Our story is birds. This bird is flying. Boys and girls, what bird is this? This is an eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. This bird is swimming. Friends, what bird is this? This is a penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. This bird is drinking. Look, 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 look. Boys and girls, what bird is this? Yes, that's right. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. This bird is eating. Boys and girls, what is the bird eating? That's right. The bird is eating a fish. This bird is walking. Boys and girls, can the bird walk fast or slow? I think the bird can walk fast, but I don't know. This bird is running. Boys and girls, can this bird run fast? Yes, yes it can. This bird is sleeping. Boys and girls, what bird is this? This is an owl. O-W-L, owl. This bird is talking. Boys and girls, what bird is this? That's right, this is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. I like parrots. Hello. And I like all of you, boys and girls. I'm Teacher Aaron. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.